Namaste friends, welcome back to my channel. I really hope all of you are well. So you already read from the title. This video is on shaving my face for the very first time. I have never ever tried it. Earlier I used to go for threading of my eyebrows as well as of my upper lips. But because of lockdown it has been 3 months and I haven't done anything like that. So I'm trying it for the very first time and I'm very nervous because I'm from the mentality of the people who think that shaving is just for men and my hair could grow darker as well as thicker. Also there is risk of cutting my face, and which is making me even more nervous. My skin is dry and sensitive, so let's see what happens. And I have seen so many YouTubers praising it, that it makes your skin clear, makeup application becomes smooth, and also your skin becomes really smooth. So let's see what happens, and without any further wastage of time, let's continue the video. So I have come closer to the camera so you will be able to see me clearly. Also, before using razor, I am using Cetaphil moisturizer on my face. So many YouTubers do it without any moisturizer, but as I am from the dry skin, so I thought of using moisturizer on my face. So I'll apply a little bit on my face. So now the moisturization is done and I'm using this razor which I bought it from the local store. You can buy it online. I'll provide you link of some of the razors which will work for you. So I think we should start. Very nervous. From where should I start? Oh yes, it is removing hair. Earlier I thought it is not working, but yes, it is working. It has removed some hair from hair. Yes, if you can see, it has removed some of my hair. And firstly I'll do it on one half, so if there is any difference you will see. I'm having a lot of sweat on my face. I hope I'm not holding it wrong. By the way, it is actually very easy to use. I thought it would be really difficult for me to shave my face, but it is not that difficult. And I hope I have removed all the hair from this side. It is painless and it is almost removing all of my hair. I think I'm done. Let's move to the forehead. The trick of using is that you should only move with small strokes and only work in small area. Yeah, I'm done. I have done this half of my face and you can see the difference if that is visible in the camera. I can see this part is looking really clear and clean. Also, I have developed a little bit of redness on this side, but yes, it has made my face a little bit clear. So let me do it on that half as well and show you guys. There, it has removed a lot of hair and also dead skin has removed. I have developed a lot of redness on this part. I hope it goes away. I'll apply aloe vera gel and I think I'm done, and I have removed almost all my facial hair, and of course I have developed a little bit of redness on my face, and I think that will go away in some time. So guys, I'm done with using razor on my face, and let me tell you, I'm loving the result. It has made my skin a lot more smooth, clear and clean, and I'm just loving it. The only thing that didn't work out for me is that I have developed a little bit of redness and itchiness on my face, and that is because I'm from a sensitive skin and it just happened most of the time with me. But if you will ask me that I'll suggest you, yes, I'll suggest you can go for it. I was getting nervous without any reason. And most of you will ask me that will my hair will grow darker or thicker. Please check the description box. After 7 to 10 days, I'll mention you everything in the description, how my hair have grown, are they darker or are they thicker. So please check the description box. And also I have developed a little bit of redness, so I'll apply toner on my face. So now my toner has dried out, so I'll apply aloe vera gel on my face. So if you are also from sensitive skin family and you have developed a little bit of redness and itchiness on your face, so please apply aloe vera gel. In the end, it will really help you in calming down your pores, and your redness will also disappear. So that's it with the video, guys. I really hope you liked it, and if you have, so please like, share and subscribe to my channel. It will mean a lot to me. And that's it. We'll meet soon. Until then, bye bye, and take care of yourself as well as your family.